Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear cookies in Microsoft Edge. So let's have a look now. Firstly, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the Edge window, click on the three horizontal dots to open the menu. Now select Settings. Click on Privacy, Charts and Services. Then scroll down and click on Choose what to clear under the Clear Browsing Data heading. In the Clear Browsing Data menu, ensure that cookies and other site data are selected. Once you have selected the desired options, click on the Clear button. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.